Armani Hotel in Burj Khalifa. We're on the 39th floor, which is the highest floor the hotel rooms actually go in. So the room is 398. I just opened the door real quick. First thing we're gonna do is go straight to the waterfall, Deluxe water fountain. There's a show on right now, so go straight, and then we're gonna come back to the room.
Yet to come yet. Just calm your thoughts so you can calm yourself. Yes, Mama. Then you can enjoy it too. But let's just, I can't do this right now. I really can't handle this conversation.
Right.
I know we really gotta stop.
So, here's the room on the 39th floor. It's a massive king size bed. I reckon you could fit about, I don't know, 4 people in here. Everything about this room is controlled through this iPad over here. So, in terms of the functionalities, oops, I'll pick that in a minute. Push to open. Right, cool. The room controls, you got the room controls, the lights, the curtains, the door camera. So if someone knocks the door, you can actually see who's outside. I'll just show you guys right there. As you can see, it shows who's outside. You can open the door by clicking on open door. Yes, am I sure? The door opens and a person can come in. The curtains, control the curtain, etc. The lights and the whole lot. Get yourself booked into a spa. There's a bunch of things you can do here. Everything about this room is controlled through here. The great thing about it is the waterfall show is on right now. At the same time, what you could do is you could actually listen to the music through here, the fountain music. So while the show is on, you could click on this channel and the music playing downstairs, it's being played in the room. So that's a great thing. Room sleepers, it's pretty cool. And then we're gonna come over here. Voila. Here's the wardrobe. There's a bunch of storage stuff. There's a safe right there. Iron over there. I'm not gonna open those because I'm sure there's probably things that you shouldn't see that's in there. And then we're gonna come over here. You have your espresso machine, etc. Everything is complimentary, by the way, so drink as much as you want. Now I'm gonna show you the cool part. It's the mini bar. It's a mini bar that comes complimentary with this room on the 39th floor. Show it right there. You got all your soft drinks, your sodas, your Pepsi, you know, your San Pellegrino, orange, etc. We've tried one water, so that's why there's another one there. There's 2 already out. Now, mind you, I've been here longer than 1 day, so we've been drinking. Is this get all replenished at it every day? This closes like that. See that? Like open, slides open like that. So it's pretty cool. Same as the television as well. Slides open and close. Oh, by the way, there's a DVD player over there. One thing I need to show you guys real quick is this right over here. So this light is pretty cool. That comes on by just doing this. Voila. Light comes on. Your desk for working. Envelopes, notepads, Armani. Everything in this room is all done to the top. Luxury, you know, whatever you want to call it. Let's go to the back. You can see sliding doors, slide open, and we are in the bathroom. Here's the bath. You see the soap? You might not be able to see it because of the light, but this is all Armani. Soap is Armani. All the towels, Armani towels.
Our lives are changing, and there's times when I want you to come.
You got your towels, hand towels, the lighting, everything is just done to perfection. And some more storage spaces, a bunch of things there. Comes with a bunch of amenities, including like toothbrush and toothpaste, etc. More towels here. There's a bathrobe here, and in the bathrobe, just open it up. It's an Armani bathrobe. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So, just gonna shove that in there. And let me just open the shower right in there. Another Armani product. The shampoo all the way is all Armani. It says right there. I'm gonna show you the toilet. The hand towels are all Armani as well. I'm not sure that you can see that. Just a little bit of focus. I'll bring that out. You can see it. Armani. Right there, it's all Armani. So everything is pretty much personalized. The 5-star luxury. The room is kitted out. One more thing. This door right here closes. This is not the main door, this is just the room door. So this door shuts. Obviously to give it a little bit more privacy. It's kind of like soundproofing the whole place, so you know, whatever is going on here, people on the outside can't hear. It's a big mirror right here. The room, by the way, as you guys can see, is a little bit dark, but it's nice because it gives that opulence, that elegance, opulence to the room. Now that I've shown you the room, 3908, it's about time for you to get the hell out of here.